What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando, where the action is getting hot for icebreaker roller coaster testing. We've been here the last couple days. We're pretty much living here. Let's get back over there, though. It's a little bit busier over here at the ticket windows. Security and temperature checks was a breeze, and turnstiles, not much of a wait. We'll be right in. Yep, right on through, and we are on our way. And there's Icebreaker on a beautiful afternoon here in Florida, somewhere in the low 60s and pretty much not a breath of wind. Train is still in the station. We have seen Premier Rides crews on site. There's operations staff as well. For the spotters, all we need is the train to pull out of the station, start testing. First movement that we have seen, it is backing out of the station. And now jogging back in. Bring them out, bring them out, bring them out, out. Well, it does appear SeaWorld's marketing team is over here taking some photos. Construction duck, help me out today. Let's get some more full course runs, shall we? Still no icebreaker entrance sign. We're really hoping it shows up very soon. But something else to talk about over here, Mango Joe's. Well, it's getting gutted right now as they're doing a major renovation in there to get it ready before the opening of Icebreaker. They're gonna need a good quick service food place. Yesterday, the work walls over here were pushed back a little closer to Wild Arctic. We could not see the statue, but today, a little closer over here, and that means a better view of that drop. All right, so for the last couple hours, they've been just moving the train forwards and backwards between the transfer table and the station. And recently, they've started playing with some of the air gates, as well as the gates that are in front of the train, leading out to the transfer table. Alright, so it's officially 3:48. We've been here for several hours, and the train just now transferred onto the launch track. And there we have it. Started the first run of the day. Let's see what it can do. So launch 2. Launch 3. On launch 4. It's over.
Wow.
Alright, second run of the day.
Viste, lo están probando.
Alright, so we've seen like 8 cycles. Let's see if we can get some more.
There's a good chance that during our experience today, you'll be getting very, very wet. If you want to avoid being soaked with ice cold salt water, you might want to move to higher and drier ground.
What? His hand got in the way.
They can be found throughout the ocean, all around the world, including the Arctic, the Atlantic, the Southern, the Indian, and the Pacific Oceans. No other single marine species lives in as many different ocean habitats or is as directly reliant on as many different types of marine life more than any other or status organ. Until about 2 decades ago, scientists didn't know that there were actually several different varieties or ecotypes of killer whales. With effort and observation, however, we discovered that there were actually 10 distinct ecotypes, each differing in size, behavior, type, lifestyle, and appearance. A striking characteristic of the orca is the air.
There the train goes, back into the station.
Killer whales are regarded as science orca. One thing we do know, however, is that across the globe, they face real challenges as the general health and populations which killer whales depend suffer changes in the environment. In just a few moments, you'll encounter SeaWorld's killer whales and learn even more about these fascinating and widely distributed mammals on Earth. The killer whale is uniquely positioned in the ocean.
What do you think, construction ducks? It's a good day, isn't it? Yeah, it's a very good day. Ooh-wee! Just look at that sunset. Well, the operations crew members have left the ride area, and Premier Rides crews are done for the day. What an awesome, awesome day. Perfect weather, saw probably over 15 test runs, full circuit. Every single one they did went over. No faults today. Good stuff, guys, good work. We know that you love icebreaker testing, but you love pink chickens a lot more. Pink chickens! Well, guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for icebreaker roller coaster construction. And as we saw, tons of full course test runs today. The Premier Rides crews look like they have finally nailed down that launch system. I want to say big ups to them and, of course, SeaWorld Orlando for all of their hard work. And we've been living here recently, and we're going to have plenty more updates. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.